Congratulations on the purchase of your Red Copper 5-Minute Chef. This instructional video will show you how to safely and properly use the Red Copper 5-Minute Chef. Take a moment to carefully review the instructions and warnings in the manual before using. Before using Red Copper 5-Minute Chef for the first time, clean the cooking surfaces by using a soft sponge that has been dipped in warm soapy water. Dry with a soft towel or allow to air dry. Do not immerse in water. The following instructions show how to make a sausage, peppers, and onion omelet. You can make more than omelets with the Red Copper 5-Minute Chef. Please refer to the included recipe guide for other cooking ideas. Place the Red Copper 5-Minute Chef on a dry, flat, and sturdy surface. Then plug in the power cord. The red indicator light lets you know that the unit is on and the cooking surfaces are heating up. When the green light turns on, the Red Copper 5-Minute Chef is ready to use. Caution: always lift and lower the cover from the side of the handle only. Place the peppers, onions, and pre-cooked sausage within the lower cooking surface and stir gently with the provided spatula. Close the cover, taking care not to lock the latch so pressure and steam can escape. Allow to cook for 1 minute. Next, pour no more than 2 medium or large whisked eggs into the bottom cooking surface. Caution: do not exceed 1 cup of combined eggs plus filling. Add some shredded cheese if you wish. Be careful to not overfill the bottom cooking surface. Then, close the cover, taking care not to lock the latch. Allow the eggs to cook for 3 to 4 minutes total. Because the Red Copper 5-Minute Chef heats from the top and bottom, there's no need to flip. If you like, check your omelet after 2 minutes. Caution: lift the cover from the side of the handle, taking care to avoid escaping steam. Your finished omelet should be puffed and pulled away from the edges after about 3 to 4 minutes. Use the provided spatula to remove the omelet from the lower cooking surface. Do not use sharp or metal utensils on the Red Copper 5-Minute Chef. Before cleaning, unplug the power cord and let the unit cool completely. Clean the cooking surfaces by using a soft sponge that has been dipped in warm soapy water. Do not use any sort of abrasive cleaners or brushes on any of the surfaces. Before storing, make sure the Red Copper 5-Minute Chef is completely dry and clean. Lock the latch to store your Red Copper 5-Minute Chef by pressing down until you hear a click. Thank you for watching and enjoy your brand new Red Copper 5-Minute Chef.